So this is a 2 days event. It is called as the Top Recruiters Workshop.
I think it is a very insightful experience. It has been wonderful.
The best part is, of course, networking.
So you get to meet not only the delegates, but also your industry workers.
We are getting so many universities just under one roof.
To connect with the institutions who have come here to deliver information about their institutions, their programs.
Interactive sessions ranging from prerequisites of the courses to the solutions of the constraints.
I mean, everything was to the mark, was accurate, was very informative.
Martin, his speech yesterday was amazing.
The best part is the enthusiasm of the entire team, I believe.
And I am so happy to be here because I have learned so much.
It's a great networking opportunity.